And we can make that become the new standard, the behavioral norm. When we bring in the new brothers and sisters in the future, hopefully far less of them get sick. All right, sweet. So there you go. So now you're going to see on the screen. Eric, go ahead and you run the computer and I'll just talk about what you're doing here. So what you see on the screen here, on the top side there, you see PIIERS, you see the IFF logo up there. Now this is a test database, so this one's just one we're playing with. What you see on the screen there, as you scroll down or look down, you'll see some dates. There's ones I put in today. Click on the notes for the EMS one right there. So this is you. This is you on your login on your phone, your iPad, your computer, whatever. So he just clicked on notes. This one. That one. All right, well, what you would have saw there is that I typed in, I went and saw a 35-year-old dude. He had TB, there was a language barrier, and we didn't know to put on our masks until after we got exposed. So that's just a way for you to query back and look at what you've put into the system. The other things that are in there, we're going to go ahead and start a report, so click report. There we go. So now we'll just look at the way these drop-down boxes work. So I got to read it off down here, so bear with me. You'll see the date. The date starts with today's date. So if you're sitting in the rig and you're returning from a fire, you would just go right on that. If you're making a report from last shift or whenever, then you just click on that and you get her done. The next thing says incident type, I believe. So on that drop-down list, it says fire, hazmat, EMS, other stuff. You just pick the right one. And again, on an iPhone, on a phone or an iPad, it works. So it transfers over, so you have those scrolling lists. It's not clunky and you have to make the screen bigger and smaller. So let's just do one, Eric. Let's do a fire. So click a fire. All right, and then to the right there it says fire type, structure fire. So we click that box.